Hello everyone and welcome to my Taj Parker Rich Minecraft video, and where today we do a machine toy car. Look how beautiful the toy is. And we gotta play that. But I got the remote of the machine, see? Oh, we're not gonna start yet now. We gotta play this. And we do this car, machine car, and look at that. And look how awesome. It is really fun, that one. This card is awesome. I love it. This is a toy car. It's my toy machine car. And it's awesome. And look at all the machines on it. All the motor in there. And all batteries. But put in the batteries in this car. And this is the toy. And this is awesome. Now, let's see how it goes. Watch this. It's a really good video. And this is a remote game. And this is Apple, but this car. And there will be two times in the right corner at the far away fast again. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, now ready, set, go. Oh, look at the bang in the bag. Oh god. Oh, he came back to me. Oh, go back. And backwards. He come. Oh, a bang in the wall. Oh, here's come my doggies. Look at the doggies. He likes this car. Watch that. Now he's little bit cheeky. See? Now he's grounding the car. Now he's grounding the car. Oh no. See? He likes this car. Oh god. Oh no. My car is the machine car's dead. Oh god, I lose a battery or something. Maybe battery is flat. Let's see. There's a battery in there somewhere. There we go. See the batteries? See all the batteries on it? And that's the battery, dude. It's a bit flat now because there's no battery to charge properly. We can't put a charge. Just keep it for till his end. But it's flat. I'll put a charge later, maybe. It's not good, does it? I'll twist it. Oh, still with me. I gotta go put it properly. Wait, doggies. I have to twist it. Just a sec. There we go. How's that, guys? It's not wobbly. It just got flat. Oh, I'm losing again. Oh god. Okay. Now I can put it properly just in case. Alright, twist it like this. Oh wait, we're gonna have to twist like that, like that, and like that. Come on. Okay, I'm trying to figure out. It's really harder. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it later. Okay? Oh god. I have to be careful this. Okay. Thanks for watching this machine car. But I got battery flat now. But I'll put charge him later. Thanks for watching the video. And I'll see you next video. And it's really good. This car, the machine car, the toy car. And that's my doggy, Nally. And that's my sister dog, Sean's dog. And this is a beautiful skinny mini dog. Hansie. Don't grumpy to me. He doesn't come to me sometimes. But he likes me. He loves me. See? Thanks for watching the video. And see you next week. and a wonderful my car, and see you in the video. Bye bye. My hippie flip. Hee haw.